So today I'm hiking the Teide over 3,700 meters. I'm so excited. It's 7:30 in the morning. I'm heading from the south of the island and it's gonna be over roughly an hour from here. So let's go. That's just from the cable car, around 3,500 meters. Anyone can come up here. It's just, the problem. You need a permission to go up to the summit, which I think you need around 2 months to get before. And if you need it urgently and you didn't plan your trip before, then you definitely need to get a guide. Guides do have spots to reach the summit. It's not a difficult hike from the cable car. Anyone really can do it. It's definitely recommended to have at least some kind of fitness to reach the top. But from all ages I have seen young kids to a guy who is 76-year-old who reached the top in around 2 hours. So it is possible, and it's really amazing view. Look at that.
For a small island. So what happened? Approximately 170,000 years ago, the old volcano collapsed, and the rocks fall down to the sea and produce a big blast to the north side of the island and make it here a big volcanic depression. This is this depression called the Circus of Las Cañadas. It's a caldera with 17 kilometers of diameter. Okay, so when fall down, permit that the magma for the channel for the vent go out again and make many small hills, small volcanoes on the way. Okay, and start to grow at the same time. This volcano, this is a stratovolcano, it's a volcano to grow all the time. Eruption after eruption take more side. Here was the crater for a long time, until medieval time. The last eruption grow a little bit more, and this is the lava flow to producing the last eruption. So, for reach the highest point, we must do walking. It's 660 meters high, long, sorry, and approximately 1,800 feet, okay, more or less, and 450 feet high, 1 meter 69 meter high. But we are now a high place. It's 30% less restriction. This is not a competition between citizens, so German, English, Italian. Where are you from?
Kuwait.
Kuwait. So this is not a competition between sex and between generation. Okay? Good luck. Take your time, relax here, please. So we'll start in English now. Okay. So From here we have a nice view on the way. This is all the landscape with Gran Canaria in the background, that way. This is Gran Canaria. The wall of Las Cañadas, the border for the old volcano to remain it. The circus of Las Cañadas, the depression. And this is the old crater that is not covered for the new material in the last eruption. So this part is not covered, and we will smelling now sulfur. Yeah, sulfur, because there are many fumarous places there. Okay, so and look, the machines to have with wood color and in white are sensors. Don't worry. So the local volcanology institute have all the control for the situation. In theory, with this kind of sensor, they control the gas emission and the swim to have in this area. So in case something is wrong, so they may be alarmed. Okay, this is the theory. The practice never happens. The practice never happens. Okay.
So how much time would you get before they get to?
Now they know it. So for example, when it starts to grow the seismic or the gas, the CO2 level or the oxygen of nitrogen are
pressure as well.
Yeah, but they know now, for example. So, but with in advance, so not in the short time. No. Que les decía, chicos, que aquí tenemos una bonita panorámica. With Punta del Hidalgo, the last one there, Tacoronte, El Sausal, La Matanza Centejo, La Victoria, Santa Úrsula. Good place for drink wine. Orotava Valley. This is the Orotava Valley with 3 villages inside the valley. Puerto de la Cruz. Puerto de la Cruz is the place we have the big towers. Okay. It's a tourist places, okay, tourist place here, okay, with a big saltwater swimming pool, Lago Martianes. Then, inside have Orotava Village, a nice place for visit to for the local Spanish colony style houses, and Los Realejos. So, then, that way, San Juan de la Rambla, La Guancha, Picot de los Vinos, is that way, the place of the dragon tree. Garachico with the rocky, okay, the rock there, Garachico. Los Silos, and the flat place with one volcano is Buenavista del Norte. There's plenty of banana plantation, and this is a simple volcano. The name is Taco Volcano. Taco Volcano, so it's a steam volcano, and the people arrange a reserve of water inside. So it's a water tank there, and used for the irrigation for the banana plantation in this area. This is banana, all the green one. So then west, Teno Massif. This is Teno Massif. And in the background, this is La Palma Island. La Palma looks like a camel hand from here with 2 big massives. So the highest is Cumbre Nueva with 2,440 meters high, in Roque de los Muchachos. The other is Cumbre Vieja, approximately 2,000 meters. So, then, the villas in that way, Erjos, Santiago del Teide, El Retamar, and down is Los Gigantes Cliff. We start with the southwest part of the island. Southwest, that direction. So we will see Canary Islands, complete, perfect, lovely view. And in the back, so on the left, the dark place is El Hierro. So, another Canary Island. Gomera, detrás del Hierro. Southwest coast of the island, Playa San Juan.